Welcome to our review of the Vinchef Nonstick Skillet with lid. Today, we're diving into the features, performance, and overall value of this versatile kitchen essential. The Vinchef Nonstick Skillet boasts an impressive 11-inch diameter and a generous 5-quart capacity. It's crafted from high-quality aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution and excellent durability. The sleek design and ergonomic handle add a touch of style and comfort to your cooking experience. The ergonomic design heat-insulating bakelite handle is easy to grasp. Compatibility is key, and the Vinchef skillet doesn't disappoint. It's induction compatible, making it a versatile choice for all types of stovetops, whether you have gas, electric, or induction. Very easy to assemble. The non-stick coating is truly exceptional. Whether you're frying eggs, sauteing vegetables, or cooking delicate fish, the food slides off effortlessly. Plus, the anti-scratch and anti-stain properties mean this skillet will maintain its pristine look even after extensive use. One standout feature is the heat indicator. This smart addition changes color when the skillet reaches the optimal cooking temperature. So let's start today's recipe. Ready to upgrade your cookware? Click the link below to get your Vinchef Nonstick Skillet with lid today and take your cooking to the next level. Thanks for watching.